Hello, it's Tommy from Pocket Clinician, and I'm really excited to announce the launch of our brand new ECG community. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact page and exactly what you can get for £2.99 to master the ECG. So the first thing you need to know is how the hell you sign up. Head over to pocketclinician.co.uk and this is exactly what you're going to see. If you go to the top tabs and press ECG community at the top, then you're going to be brought to a landing page where you can sign up for £2.99 a month. If you're a member, then this is exactly what you're going to see. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the 12 lead ECG Centre. This is a catalogue of 29 videos that talk through the basics all the way through to intermediate interpretation and advanced interpretation. It's really simple and easy to understand, and this is what you get. So firstly is lead placement, goes through atrial fibrillation, flutter, PVCs, benign early repolarization, Wolff-Parkinson wire, all of the stuff that you need to know and even don't really need to know about ECGs. So that's the first thing you get, and this already, the 12 lead ECG Centre, blows $2.99 a month out of the park. The next thing you're going to get is case studies. 2 of these every single month are going to be uploaded, and I'm going to show you just one of them. So what you're going to get is a real ECG and the story of a real patient with some questions at the end for you to answer, with some answers on the next page. And like I said, 2 of those are going to be uploaded every single month. The next thing that I really need to tell you about is the CPD quiz. If you just head down to what's included, press CPD quiz, click here, there's going to be a host of quizzes. The first one is basic rhythms, and every single month I'm just going to be pushing them out. At the moment, basic rhythms is the only one there, but in the next couple of days there's going to be more. So this is essentially it. You can go do the quiz as you please, and then at the end you're going to receive a score or your result. If you screenshot that, that can go straight into your CPD portfolio and you can talk about the things that you answered and the things that you learned. The next thing that I really want to tell you about is the monthly meetups. So every single month an event will pop up and we're all going to get together as a community on a video call, and we're going to discuss difficult ECGs, discuss difficult cases that you might have been to, and generally ask any questions that you might need to know, and we're all going to learn together. The best thing is these monthly meetups are going to be recorded so you can watch them as many times as you like. A few more things that you're going to get is an exclusive 20% discount for the shop, some information on one-to-one ECG tutoring, an exclusive Facebook group for essentially more discussion, and it's going to act as a bit of a forum, and then the monthly meetups, this is where you can see the information on how to join. So, what are you waiting for? Subscription only costs £2.99 per month. It's less than a cup of coffee, and it's perfect for students and any grade of clinician that just wants to know a little bit more about ECGs. And considering the 12 lead ECG is something that most people struggle with, this is perfect for everyone. So how do you sign up? Head over to pocketclinician.co.uk and let's build this together, and your ECG confidence really does start here.